Hey, this is Sal, and welcome to the Kickstarter launch formula. By the end of this course, you're going to know exactly how to launch an effective Kickstarter campaign, and specifically one that actually raises funds. Whatever you're trying to raise money for, I want you to be armed with a war chest of strategies going into your upcoming campaign launch. With the Kickstarter launch formula, you're getting a few different things. You sort of think of this as a process. You think of this as a process leading up to an actual launch on Kickstarter. There are different milestones that we have leading up to this eventual launch where we're then live on Kickstarter and the world can discover us. People all over the world come to Kickstarter. We can get the attention of super backers, etc. So when you're first getting started, there are different hard assets that you have to put together. Like you have to put together the video, you have to put together the campaign text, you have to validate your idea, all this kind of stuff. What I've done with the Kickstarter launch formula, the videos that you'll see in the training modules going forward, we'll go through things like storytelling. We'll go through things like why it is that people support crowdfunding campaigns. We'll talk about actually putting together an effective campaign page. All of this kind of stuff we're going to cover. And as we go and as we move along this process, we're also going to learn different lessons when it comes to things like building up social media, building up your email list. How do you actually then tease people into this and get them into a position where they're going to back you on the first day? How do you maintain momentum? How do you do things like get PR attention? How do you really set up this campaign for success? And in addition, when you are live, how do you promote that project? You know, how do you actually go out there and get the help of other people, coaches like myself? How do you work with agencies? All this kind of stuff. This program is designed so that at the end of it, you feel way more confident going into your campaign launch, and really you have a formula that you can use and then you can apply in a paint by numbers fashion, if you will, to the launch of this project on Kickstarter or on Indiegogo. This program is a compilation of my YouTube videos, which I've curated and tailored and put together in a curriculum format. In addition, I put together private training videos for you that I haven't shared anywhere else on the web. These really go into those decision mechanisms that decide whether or not I'm going to back a campaign. How do you actually get someone to say yes? How do you get someone to say, please take my money, I want to buy this product? In addition, we'll go through other stuff like if you don't want to listen, you don't want to watch these videos live on your app or on your computer, you also can download MP3s. So this is kind of like a podcast or an audiobook, if you will. You can download the MP3 versions of these individual lessons, and that way listen on the go. You can listen in your car, you can listen on the way to work, on the subway, wherever it is. You can be learning at the same time and downloading this information into your brain. And finally, I think sort of the end here, the end goal, the ways that I can help you, I also give you access to exclusive discounts to my other programs, to my coaching offerings, etc., as well as freebies, resources, and templates. So this is kind of like, in my opinion, one of the things that can really speed up the process. Having someone like myself as a coach or using different resources that I mentioned, it's really a great way to speed up the process of launching a crowdfunding campaign, and I wish you success. Please reach out to me. Let me know what you think of this course. Would love a positive review from you as well. And let me know if there are any other ways that I can improve this for you going forward. Would love to hear from you. But again, my name is Sal, and I look forward to you getting started.